Our mission here at Exponential Impact, we're about the best entrepreneurs humanly possible. We want to come alongside at different seasons of their lives, because I think, entrepreneurs made or are they trained? I think it's a little bit of both. But wherever they are, we want them to be the best humanly possible. And we'd like this to be a hub of a special energy in Colorado Springs with both our emerging technology track and our Survive and Thrive program. This can be a hub for a special energy and care we have in our community for each other. And so we encourage everybody to get involved and to know about Exponential Impact.
The road to entrepreneurship is one only few travel. Join me as I explore what it takes to risk it all and follow your dreams. To find out what happens when you face your greatest fears in hopes of achieving the life you've always dreamed of. To appreciate the journey and truly embrace what we learn along the way. On the road to Rise. To watch now, say Comcast Rise into your Xfinity voice remote.
At Pinnacle Advanced Primary Care, we're leading family medicine to new heights, delivering cost-effective care without the need for insurance, co-pays, or deductibles. Members benefit from strong doctor-patient relationships, convenient access to care, and cost-effective treatment options. Begin your health confidence journey with Pinnacle. Get back in the driver's seat of your health and wellness, and join our practice today.
Space business, an unlimited frontier, abundant in resources, limitless potential. At UCCS, we are in the business of building successful futures in space. Our graduate certificate and MBA in Space Cyber Enterprise Management will launch your career in the space sector. You will find your path at UCCS. Start your future in space cyber today.
Hi everyone, I'm Alan Ramirez with Colorado Enterprise Fund, or CEF as we like to call ourselves. Thanks for being with us today. We're just going to do this quick video. The goal or intention is to show small business owners who they can go to when they don't qualify for traditional financing, but maybe CEF can be that option for them. I'm going to share a little bit of background on who we are as an organization, as a CDFI. I'll also share a little bit about who CEF is, what kind of products and services that we offer, why you would come to CEF, and ultimately a little bit about our business navigation services, which is one-on-one consulting, which I'll go into more detail. So what is a CDFI? A CDFI is a community development financial institute. There's over 1,000 in the United States. There's 15 here in Colorado, so we're extremely fortunate to have 15 CDFIs here. Essentially, we are a lender with a very community development lens. And so we're looking at different characteristics that banks may not always be able to consider. Most CDFIs all CDFIs are actually certified by the U.S. Department of Treasury. And a lot of our funding options may come from the U.S. Department of Treasury, SBA, banks, grants, or other foundations as well. Most CDFIs are also known as a nonprofit, and we are a 501c3. Our organization, we were founded in 1976, and so since that time, we have always been helping businesses that do not qualify with banks, also known as underserved businesses. Our organization is accustomed and used to taking more risk in our deals, and 60% of our clients are underserved businesses, meaning they went into a bank and for one reason or another were not able to qualify with their bank. We are a small business lender, and so many of the loans that we're offering are small business loans. Generally, our loans can be $50,000 and under, which we would reference as a microloan, but we also do small business loans up to $1 million. We also provide community impact loans where we're partnering with different municipalities throughout the state. We also are administering grants for many cities and counties as well. We have new market tax credits that we offer as well. And lastly, the consulting services. So why would a business come to CEF? Often, it could just be because it's an early stage business. So a true startup, no revenues, has an idea, has the vision, and where do I go for that loan? Colorado Enterprise Fund, CEF, can be that first option for you. Other alternatives could be someone that has lower FICO scores, went through a divorce, filed bankruptcy a few years ago. The bank is not quite ready to fund to that individual. Because of those concerns, we have more flexibility with those areas. It could be capital injection. Maybe the individual does not have the capital injection requirement that the bank needs, and so again, that would be an option for us to consider. Lastly, if it's an existing business, maybe cash flows are tight, the company's growing fast, maybe that company had to invest in a lot of equipment or hiring, and so now their working capital is depleted, they still need a loan. For the bank, that could be a difficult scenario, but again, for CEF, that might be a great option for us to consider and help with. Most of our loans, all of our loans, are fixed rates. They are term loans. The use of funds are any business needs. So we're looking at working capital, business acquisitions, could be commercial real estate, equipment. As long as it's for the business, it's generally going to be eligible. Some of the loans that we offer, I mentioned our microloan program, loans up to $50,000. We have a lot of flexibility with those loans. We really look at those requests as starter loans or very loans that we're allowing these businesses to either test their model if they're a startup. If it's an existing business, it's just working capital. We're leveraging their experience, their history, what they've done. So a lot of flexibility with 50 and under. We also offer a community advantage loan. This is via the SBA. It allows us to do loans up to $350,000. These loans have a guarantee, which is a benefit not only to the customer, but also to us as a lender. So we're able to take a little bit more risk on these larger loans. We also do loans up to $1 million. I mentioned those loans are generally towards commercial real estate. We see a lot of business acquisitions for these larger requests as well, or it could just be companies that are looking to grow. Community loan pools, we have about 13 community loan pools. So we have different communities that have come to CEF and they've asked us to essentially administer funds on this area's behalf. So we will create a loan pool in partnership with that city or county, and we are targeting funds specifically to these communities so that businesses can start or grow in those targeted areas. Lastly, some of the initiatives that we focus on are our veterans. We have a Valor Loan program. We have ITIN loans, individual tax ID numbers for those that don't have a security number. We have access to healthy food loans. So for areas that are known as food deserts, we offer access to healthy food loans so that we're kind of revitalizing, trying to promote access to healthy foods in those areas, rural or urban. And then lastly, we have a Black Business Loan Fund and a Latino Loan Fund as well. As far as documents that we might need, we're no different from a bank, meaning a lot of the documentation that we request, a bank might request from you as well. Where we're different is our credit box has more flexibility. So we can take more risk in some of those areas, but the documents are going to be similar. So if you're a startup, what are we looking for? We need a business plan. Help us understand your vision. Help us understand why we should invest in you and your company. As far as cash flows and your projections, help us understand how you're going to grow this company. What does my month 1 of revenue look like? How did you figure out month 1? What does month 6 look like versus month 12? And so it tells a story to us to help us get more comfortable with your request. But a business plan and your projections as a startup, very critical to the request. If you're an existing company, we'd be looking for historical tax returns, maybe a year-to-date profit and loss statement or balance sheet, business bank statements, trying to really just get comfortable with the financial statements so that we can see how much the company can absorb in a debt. Ultimately, our CDFIs, we've supported over 8,400 businesses here in Colorado. A lot of what we do is about job impact. So if your business is creating jobs or retaining jobs, that's a big part of what we do. Historically, we've supported over 32,000 jobs in Colorado. So we're extremely proud of the work that we've done there. We've deployed over $315 million here in Colorado. And low to moderate income, about 60% of our clients are low to moderate income. Minority owned, about 40%. Veteran owned, just under 15%. And women owned, just under 50%. So very diverse in terms of who we're helping and who is getting our funds. The last thing, separate of our loans, CEF is extremely part of what we do is a lot of education and coaching and training. Why are these businesses not bankable? There's some sort of a blemish or an issue with this customer's needs. So part of it is getting them the access to capital they need. But the other part is really coaching and mentoring and helping them understand margin, helping them understand how do I become more visible, helping them understand their cost of goods, their cost of labor, and where should I fit within my industry. Ultimately, understanding those margins should make you more profitable, should make you more cash flow. Our goal with our business navigators is to give you that one-on-one coaching to help you with that financial piece, to help you with the operations, to help you with the marketing, and ultimately as well some legal assistance. So all of that is free of service throughout the life of the loan, and we encourage our customers to benefit and use that service when they can. So if you feel CEF might be the right choice for you and your business, we encourage you to check out our website. There's going to be a lot of information in terms of the specific documents that we need before you apply. So make sure you take a few minutes to read that through, make sure you understand what's needed. If you have questions, feel free to call us directly and we can answer that for you. In turn, the more prepared that you are, the faster this loan process can take. I would say if we get a complete application, things can move very quick. If we're having to go back and forth, obviously that's going to delay things. But please review the website. Please take your time to submit everything correctly. And again, we look forward to getting to know you and your business. Thank you. Please visit the website at coloradoenterprisefund.org.